Everyone, you're welcome once more to If you're new to this channel, you're highly welcome. If you want to subscribe to the channel and share the link of the channel to somebody out there, alright? So we have a problem on the board on binary operation. The question says the binary operation asterisk is defined by this operation. Okay. Now, if this operation is 12 minus x, find the possible values of x. All right, so this is a very nice and easy one. All right, so we have our what? The given operation is x asterisk y is equals, so we have to bring this first. So we have x and you raise it to a power of y. All right, now we have this as also x asterisk what? 2. Now this we can write in the form of we bring what? Our x, okay? As usual, x comes first and you raise it to the power of y. So we are going to raise this to the power of what? 2. Okay? So you want to agree with me that this, okay, is also this here. Alright? So remember, we're given that, okay, x asterisk 2 is equals to what? 12 minus what? X. Alright? So if this is equal to this and this, okay, is also equal to this. Alright? So we have something we can equate. Okay? So remember we have gotten also this as this. So we can say this is equal to this, right? So what that means is if we say this is equal to this, we can equally say this is equal to this. So it means x squared is equal to 12 minus x. Okay? Because this x asterisk 2 is equal to x asterisk 2. Alright? So this, which is this, and this, which is this, are equal. Alright? So we'll be able to represent this equals to this with this equals to this. Alright? So with this, we can now solve this equation, and I can identify where I have for that equation. What we want to do in this case is we want to bring all this to this side and make the right hand side 0. So how do we do that? So I have our x squared. I want to add x, okay, to both sides. So we have plus x, which is equal to 12 minus x plus x. That this becomes what? 0. So we have x squared plus what? X is equal to what? 12. Okay, and this is what? Minus 0. Alright, now from that we can see that we have our x squared plus x is equals to what? 12. Because 12 minus 0 is 12. Alright, now we want to also remove this and bring it to the left hand side. So how do we do that? We are going to what? Subtract 12 from both sides. Okay, so that this becomes 0. So we are left with x squared plus x minus 12 is equals to 0. So this is now what? A quadratic what? Equation. Alright. Now that we've gotten a quadratic equation, we can now apply the various methods, okay, of solving quadratic equation, okay, to find the possible values of x. Okay. And in this, I'm going to check for what? Factorization method. So let's apply factorization method. So using the factorization method, now I want to identify something. So we have A, B, C to identify, in the given quadratic equation, all right, such that you have your A here, okay, as coefficient here. You have your B here as a coefficient, and C, is all this. So we have A, the coefficient of x squared is 1, so this is 1. For B, the coefficient of x is 1, okay, and C is what? Minus 12. All right. Now, the next thing is you want to get the product of A times C, which is what? 1 times minus 12. That will give us what? Minus 12. Okay. We are going to look for two factors that their sum is going to give us this, and their product is going to give us what? This. Okay. So how do we get those two factors? Now, those two factors we are going to develop from 12. Now, first of all, you want to know the factors of what? 12. So we have them as what? We have, so we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 6, and we have what? 12. Okay. Now, while adding the factors, we can see that all these numbers can divide 12 without the remainder. All right. So now let's check the best numbers that can serve what purpose. Now, two numbers that, okay, their sum is going to give us 1 and their product is going to give us minus 12. I think the best numbers we can use that are close to what we have is 3 and 4. So let's use 3 and 4. Okay. Now the question is, are we going to say uh, plus 4 and minus 3? Okay. Or are we going to say minus 4 and plus 3? Okay. Or are we going to say minus 4 minus 3? Or are we going to say plus 4 plus 3? Now, if I multiply these two, we are going to get what? Plus 12 and not minus 12. So this is already out. If I multiply these two, I'm also going to get what? Plus 12 and not minus 12. So this is out. Now let's check between these two. Okay. If I multiply this, I'm going to get what? Actually, I'm going to get minus 12. What about if we add them? Okay, minus 4 plus, okay, plus 3 is going to give us what? We are going to get minus 1. But we are looking for what? And not what? Minus 1. So this is also out. Lastly, let's check this. I multiply these two, okay, we are going to get what? We are going to get minus 12. If I add them, here I'm going to get 1. So plus 4 and minus 3 satisfies this condition, okay, of minus 12 and 1. So in place of plus x, we are going to write x squared, okay, so plus, I will say 4x, okay, minus what? 3x minus 12 is equals to 0, okay. Now with that, we can now what? Factorize to get our what? Possible values of what? X. So what is common here? X is common, so I'm going to divide this by x, okay. I'm also going to divide it by x. So we have minus. Now what is common here? Okay, minus 3 is common, so we are going to divide what? Our 3x by what? 3. Okay, now this is going to change to plus because minus times plus is going to give us minus, so we have 12 divided by 3 is equals to 0. Right? So let's cancel out and see. X is going to reduce 1 here, so we have x into what? X. This is going to cancel this, so we have plus 4. So we have minus 3 outside. This is going to cancel this 1, 1. So we have x plus, this is going to cancel this is 4. So we have 4, which is equals to 0. Okay. Now something is still common, so this and this is common. Alright. So all we need to do is we are going to pick one of that which is common. Now x plus 4 is common, so we are going to bring it out. Okay. Now all these we are going to divide by what? this that is common, all right? And all this we are going to divide by what? We are going to divide by x plus 4, okay? So which is equal to 0. Now this can cancel this can cancel this, so we have 1, 1. Let's see what we are left with. So we are left with what? We have our x plus 4, and in bracket this is x minus 3, which is equal to 0. Now remember, if you have a multiplied by b is equal to 0, it means either a should be 0 or what? Our b should be 0, okay? For this condition to apply. So if this is my a and this is my b, so it means x plus 4 should be equal to 0, or our x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now from this, we can say that our x is equal to what? We are going to subtract what? 4 from both sides, so we have 0 minus 4, or our x here is going to be, we are going to add 3 to both sides, so we have 0, 3. So the values x is equal to what? Minus 4, or x is equal to what? Plus 3. So that gives us the solution to this problem. So the possible values of x, okay, for this expression or for this operation is what? Minus 4 and what? 3. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and share the link on the channel. Some say, I'll see you guys now.